Hi, this is a quick video on how to create a competition. To go to competition page, first go to Engage and then Competitions. Now let's create a competition by click on Create. To create a competition from scratch, you need to choose first option. You can create two types of competition. In this video, we are only covering the individual competition. You need to provide a name and a description. Also specify competition start and end date. Now, coming to the competition scorecard settings, you need to provide an evaluation frequency based on which the scorecard has been calculated. And click on Add Metric to specify the metric on which you're planning to drive the competition. In this example, I'm going to be using only one metric, that is revenue. I set a daily benchmark of $1,000 and a weightage of 100, as it is the only metric. To set up more complex competition scorecards, be sure to check out our videos on scorecards. Once you set up the scorecard, you need to add participants to the competition. Click on All Agents, then click on plus button to add agents one by one, or this specific button to add all of them at once. The next step is to create some prizes for the winners. We are creating two prizes here. You can customize the name, description, and image of the trophies that will be awarded to the winning users. And finally, you can also share this competition with other managers so that they also will be able to spectate it through their own dashboard. Now click on Create button to create this competition. That's how simple it is to create a competition. And if you want to learn more about competitions, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.